Hey guys, it's me Lily. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a squishy collection video. So I'm going to be showing you all my squishies and I'm going to be counting all my squishies to see how many I have. And then at the end I'll be doing my homemade squishies, which are pretty much my squishies, but yeah. So let's get started. The first one I have is this loaf. Long loaf. Then I have this cake. And I have this one. This one's a shortcake, or like strawberry shortcake. A cloud, galaxy. A galaxy bread loaf. A koala in a purple cup. A little round face panda. A dress. A Siamese cat, right? This long loaf or bread. This is my favorite thing ever. This is my favorite squishy. It's a pretzel bear, and it's like Valentine's, and yeah, that's just cute. A bear laying on a cupcake. This, my second favorite squishy, which is a lime green colored kind of loaf, turtle loaf, which I call it. This donut, jelly filled. This cupcake, ombre. This one, which is one of my first ones, I think. It's like Real Akuma Swiss roll. Real Akuma Swiss roll. This one, which it was just like a Target, Walmart one. And it's like a cinnamon bun. This one also is one of my first ones, or like first 20. And it is a cake, purple cake. And I really like that. This is another one of my favorites. It is a mango. A cone, vanilla cone ice cream. Half of a lemon, pink lemon. What is this girl called? My Melody, I think her name is. Ice cream. This Hello Kitty Cafe cup. I was about to say cupcake. Coffee. Just a coffee. With the tag on. Another one of these balls, but it is like a hot sauce kind of colored dog. Kawaii Squeezy. These are all Kawaii Squeezy. This one is like it has a flat side to it. It's a pineapple. A cone, a mint chocolate chip cone. This one is like a mango fruit bowl. I forgot, crepe. Crepe, that's what it's called. A poop, and this is a squishy delish. This monkey one, which is like a monkey cake. Really cool texturing on the back. Like a humongous, cranberry ice cream in a cone. This cat burger. Another one of these, except for it is less quality, I think. A cake, big cake. This hard bread, which I made a couple videos on that. So, a galaxy peach. This one has a chain on it. It's a panda bun, just like a burnt one, or whatever you would call this color. And it's the tongue one. Then we got this one from a store in the mall. It's just a cake, a fruit cake, I believe. This one of my very first bread loaf with the chocolate ear. I remember everyone wanted that. This half of a peanut butter and jelly. Golden apple. I still remember this. You a real homie if you remember this one, because this was a video. It's turning kind of greeny brown. Donut from Hobby Lobby. Pineapple from Kauai. This Swiss roll, I believe it's called Minion Swiss roll. This cake, dolphin cake. This, I remember getting this for Christmas and I asked for this. It is a Winnie the Pooh bread head. A rainbow cake. This Louisa the Patissier. Luiso? I don't know. It's just a coffee frappuccino. Green apple. This lemon tofu. It's pretty hard, but I really like the way it looks. This ketchup giri logo squishy. A braided bread. This bread, I don't know where I got this. It's really spongy. Oh, this croissant. Really spongy. This is another one of the bread heads, and this is a mini. Or a mini character. This one is a big croissant. This one is a burger, smiley burger. Some pancakes. A My Melody head. And a cream puff Hello Kitty with the tag. We have the llama, Galaxy Llama. Mermaid with the tail falling off. We do not know how that happened. A unicorn cake. Reviewed not too long ago. When did I get this? This was my mom bought me Squishies video. It's a pig. I love this. A rainbow colored ombre chicken or chick. Mermaid cake. A owl. A strawberry cake. A I Loaf You golden, a raspberry milk, a ducky, a whale, a milk carton, this panda, mermaid, I forgot, a YouTuber created this. I have a cupcake or ice cream on top. Ice cream, bubblegum flavored. My first panda bun. This is the girl. This is my actual first Squishy, which I got with my friend. And it's just a Shopkin one. A shark. These are all so tiny. This little turtle. Hobby Lobby Squishy. This one's a dipped in chocolate strawberry. A mini panda. Mindy panda bun. A little guy. I forgot what these are called, but they sell them bigger. Oh, I dropped him. The Santa Claus head. This one, which is from a skit, and this is a mushroom from a skit I did with Diane. Squishy Bakery. This cow with neon colors. The donut. This unicorn head. This is also one of my favorites. This is a sushi shrimp with rice. This is a really cute little face. Cupcake, a pink cupcake. Unicorn jumping. A tooth. This huge loaf. I love this one. It smells good. I really like him. This donut, another cow, but this one is not neon colored. This cow that's sitting, which I love dearly. This, which is a butterfly. This just little donut hole. This one, which is a fox in a ninja costume. And I loved the packaging and how it like felt in the packaging. So I didn't want to take it out and ruin it. I like tight packaging on squishies. I don't know. A panda in a ninja outfit. Yeah, a shamrock. Another shark, but different color, and this is a Squish Lish. A rainbow. A little bun. This one's a donut. This burger smells like a real burger. Got that from Michael's. Another Michael's ice cream. This one is a bear. Lime green bear. This one's a seal. This one is a ornament light bulb. A little item. A bread. Hello Kitty waffle. A Quai Squeezy. Giraffe head. These macarons stacked with the little bear on top. This is a Hello Kitty head. Chinese to go. 2 panda heads with this one bitten out of. 2 panda buns. A watermelon. Another unicorn head, but in a different color. This peach whale. This heart with cream in the middle. Strawberry dipped in chocolate. This alien. This seal. The original tag. This fish. This Michael's squishy cake, whatever you call it. Christmas tree. A cracking cat head. Another fish, but different color. This one is another Christmas one. I had like a Christmas collection one, and it's just a gingerbread man. This one I took all the frosting off of, and it's a Hello Kitty donut. This just basic donut. I want donuts now. This, my very first Shopkin squishy, or just my very first squishy in general. I got with my friend. A Christmas snowman. A smiley face. A donut. Yellow donut. Sprinkles. A pink donut. Drizzle. This bread. This eggplant colored bear from Squish to Lish. This eclair. This fish. Pink. This itty bitty loaf. This loaf or a bread piece. A head of a Mickey with the eyes taken off. Peppermint. Michael's cake slice. Macaron. Another macaron. This grid bun. This one with something on it, not quite sure what it is. A bunny head. Lime green. This donut with like this really stretchy material on the top, which I really like. This egg that's actually kind of creepy. This seashell. Rainbow. Baseball. Mushroom, a blue mushroom. This one used to smell, but it's a lemon. So this one's just a cupcake. This one is a flat ice cream. A cupcake. panda donut with some like dipped in drizzle or whatever you call that. Icing. Another one, oh, Yummy Bear.
Yummy.
Another Yummy Bear. It's just not like ice cream mermaid bear. And I had 2 of them. This really, really soft bear head. This like narwhal. A donut. A smaller version of another one I had, which is a, well, this one's Hello Kitty, the other one wasn't. And it's a shortcake. This one's a fish. It's the same on both sides. A purple owl. This cake that's falling apart, so I don't want to squish it, but it's like foam. This bread slice. This donut. This squeezing pouch dude. Panda head. Oh, panda bun, I mean. I keep calling them panda heads. Another one of these panda slices. A little loaf that says sweet on it. Or a little bun that says sweet on it. Some fries for Michael's. And a Gudetama with the peel on it. I peeled it. A Squish'ems donut. These are all Squish'ems. A phone. A fish. Now this Kawaii Squeezy fish. I remember these video, which I'll link above me. And they are like heads like that. I have a couple of them. Smushy Mushies. An egg head. Kawaii Squeezy. And these guys came with like children's besties. Saturn cat, the butthole. A starfish. Panda bun. Cactus. Peach baby. Shortcake, strawberry shortcake. Unicorn head. A penguin, blue penguin. One of the hamsters. A hot dog. A like voodoo doll. Bunny cake. A banana. My only real Hello Kitty donut. This Rilakuma kind of like bread jelly sandwich. Another a Smushy Mushy. This bear donut with 2 kinds of frostings on it. This dumpling. This hard cupcake. This milk bottle. This dog. Burger on it. Squishy mushy. Smushy mushy. A big strawberry dipped in chocolate. I love this. Like a fish eating a hamster. A poop. Another carton with the colors were switched. And my corgi dog, Bianca. Here. What? I'm having a jelly bean break. There's been a lot. Now I have this peach. Smells good. A cat. Purple stripes. Another milk carton. A bilberry milk. This squishy inside of a really hard squishy I got from Michael's. I have 2 of these, but I can't find my other one. I swear I know where it is, but Panda burger. Shell. No. Another one of this, but this one is cooler because it sticks out more. A smiley face, cream, marshmallow bun, French fries, and I think it's Squish Lish. A baseball, which everyone kind of had these once they wanted squishies. Another Mickey head. This is my sister's. A mini pancake. A big panda. Another sushi. This item, I don't really know what to call it. It's a bread, kind of. This is a hedgehog with a orange apple. Another Swiss roll, Rayla Kuma. Another watermelon. Football. This kind of like dish item. Burger. This chocolate. This looks so good. Swiss roll. This pig in a bread. Pig in a blanket. This snail with only one little ear, which I think would kill them actually. A Hobby Lobby donut. This donut with a slap. This weird shaped bunny, which actually kind of makes me feel really uncomfortable. This smells so good. This is one of the strawberries that like everyone wanted at one point. A taco. A dumpling. A cat. A bun of a hot dog with no hot dog. This other, he's saying hi. This is an eggplant bear themed. Another whale. Another one of my turtle breads. Squishy from Michael's. A carrot. This dog. A mini banana. A squishy from Michael's. A strawberry dipped in chocolate. Chicken wing or a chicken leg. I don't know really what that is. This squish'em thing, but it's really bad. This cream puff Hello Kitty. This really hard bread. This banana. Another peach baby. I don't even know what that is. I think we burned that. I don't know. This is the grapes I was talking about. Let's smell. Another starfish. A cup of coffee with like a lot of cream or a lot of whipped cream. A pie. A donut. The dog. Koala. A cat with a fish. This head of a cat. A cinnamon roll. This Hello Kitty. This bear, which I had another one of those. This like Rayla Kuma French bread.
Say baby.
Baby. This cow. Another Lucio Petinier. A donut. A cake. This galaxy themed like catacorn. This looks really good right now. This is like a sandwich. A giant turtle bread. Crack 'em. She doesn't really crack anymore. I have no idea why. A panda bread bun. Panda slice. Real Akuma face. Gudetama. Like a sad kind of looking duck. Cupcake. Braided bread. Panda bun. This is a 2-layered ice cream. Swiss roll with one eye. Minion. This is a donut with a cat. This kind of creepy, awkward looking bread bun. This is like 2 crackers and like some ice cream in the middle. This is where the hot dog is. A hot dog. Like a wonton. Pineapple. This cow. Egg. Corn. Another different color eggplant bear. In the face. So thanks for sticking with me. This is a really long video, and the number of how many squishies I have is right above me. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I will do my homemade squishy collection in another video because some of my homemade squishies aren't done. So bye.